everyone fit and fine. Be always fit and fine. My dear friends, have you ever thought and observed about this phenomenon, that why the life appears to be different to the different people? Means, to one person, life appears to be desolate, deserted, full of gloom, unhappy, full of rejections. Whereas for the other person, the same life seems to be full of interest, surprises, flowers, and beautiful engagements. Have you thought about this? Same life appears different. Is the life different? No. The way to see the life is different. Yes, my dears. The perspective, the outlook, the way of looking to it, that determines how the life appears. Eyes that look are common. Eyes that see are rare. Eyes that look are common. Eyes that see, they are rare. Our outlook, our perspective, our thought, what we are thinking inside, actually that determines what is happening outside. So wherever we go with us, it goes the vision of us. Same 100 rupees note looks very big when it's a time to give for a charity, and same 100 rupee appears to be very small amount when you are going to purchase your mobile or going to pay a grocery bill. Some people say there are thorns with the roses, and some look how wonderful. On the thorns, with the thorns, there can be roses too. Positioning yourself. Yes, my dears. How you position yourself, that determines, that proves. The failure and the future, they both knock our door. They both appear without any information. Rather, they approach to us too soon before we are prepared. So our preparation for everything, that depends, and that matters a lot. Are we ready or not? Our readiness, yes, my dears, our preparation, our positioning towards life. Let's carry the hunter's outlook. There is a beautiful proverb with all the hunters. They say that ideas are always waiting to be explored. So they travel with you wherever you go. The ideas, the good ideas, they are always readily. They are waiting for you. Those who are feeling, those who are believing for their lives, affirmation. For them, the ideas are always there waiting. They are waiting. The opportunities, they are waiting. Now it depends whether your lap is open for the opportunities to be dropped in or not. If you are not open, if your lap is not ready to receive the opportunities, the opportunity can be missed. And once an opportunity is missed, can never be gained back. My dear friends, those who always see life and those who always see in life progress, success, happiness, they will meet the same. On the contrary, those who are always thinking about failure, about past, about repentance, about rejecting, they will meet the same fate. This is we who will determine our fate and future for tomorrow, my dears. Expect the best. Never forget. Expect the best. Don't think that up to now nothing has happened. Big things take time to happen. Give a time for the growth gradually. Don't expect too much too soon. Let it happen. Expect the best and you will find definitely best is happening. My dears, positioning is very, very important. Be positioned in a right way, and when you are positioned rightly, you will start seeing the life's fragrance and fruits. The same life may appear full of glory to you if positioned well, right, positive, and the same life can be full of thorns if our concentration, if our thought is always centered towards negativities and thorns. Have a wonderful frame of life. Be away, far, far away from the negative minds, the negative experts. Explore good ideas, read good books, meditative music, and be the best company of you. You are the best. Be ready. Life has got so many things yet to be given to you. Don't judge life too soon, and don't see the past more and more, as you cannot look in the mirror all the time and drive ahead. Develop the attitude, develop the outlook of thinking ahead. For that, your readiness for life is important. Be prepared for everything. जीवन क्या है? चलता फिरता एक खिलौना है, दो आँखों में एक से हंसना, एक से रोना है. Have a great life, my dear friends. This is once again your friend Rajendra Arya. Sharing is growing. Thank you so much.